Hello friends, my name is Shreyas and today I am going to share you to how to learn faster and remember for longer period of time. Yes, and how can we do that? The first, whatever we are going to read, we have to highlight the points. Yes, write it down. We have to highlight the point. Yes, because what you highlight, it has a picture in the mind and you can remember it for a longer period of time. This video is very beneficial for the person who are a reading habitual or student or the person who are not read and learn and to remember it for a longer period of time. So the first thing, you must make a habit of highlighting the points. Yes. Second is, you must take out the notes. There are long paragraphs in many of the theoretical subjects. There are long paragraphs, so you must outline and making a note by your own hand, but such that on according to your own self. So make a habit of making the notes. Yes, everyday basis. The points which you think is important, you must make a note, you must highlight it and try to remember it, so it becomes very easy. And try to dictate it in your own languages. Yes, try to dictate in your own languages. For a technical subject, you must take out a note and try to remember in a technical language. Initially it found it difficult, but once you make a habit, it becomes a very easy task. जो ज़रूर है उससे शुरुआत कीजिए और उससे लगातार कीजिए और एक दिन आप नामुमकिन भी कर देंगे. This is how the quote is. Start making a habit and you will do it very faster and sooner. The third the third one is, you must make a habit of revising it daily and make a homework of your study every day. Yes, you must take a homework. You must give yourself a task that I need to complete 1 page, or I need to complete 3 page, or I need to complete a 5 page every day. Yes, you make a habit of making at least a small task every day. You such that you must get a continuity, because consistency leads to success. Yes, you must have consistency and persistency to lead a subject. So you must make a habit of, you should do your own homework every day. Take a point out, highlight the point and make a habit of completing your homework every day, because this habit will keep growing the fruits of your success. The fourth is, make a timetable. Yes, you make a timetable that what are the things you starting your day. Structure your day according to your timetable, such that it saves the time. And it gives you to revise and learn the points which are remain, to learn it faster. Yes, to learn it faster. So that's why you must make a time on in which time you should take out the points, in which time you should learn the reading books, and in which time you should complete your homework. Okay, so follow these 4 points and it definitely help you a lot. First is, highlight the points. Second is, taking out the notes. Third is, structure your day. And the fourth is, making a timetable. So follow these 4 steps and you can have anything learn faster and remember for a longer period of time. Okay, have a good day and subscribe to my channel, and any comment you want, just write in the comment box, such that next time I should make a video on that. So student, follow this step, because I have followed it and succeeded as a good and successful engineer. Thank you very much.